Hey guys, so I have had I don't know how many requests to do an update on the kitchen countertops um, that I did a few years ago or a couple of years ago um, that I epoxied. So this is granite that I epoxied and made it look like marble for my kitchen for a certain look that I was going for. The reason why I'm doing this today is because I just finished cooking and I needed to clean up. So I said, let me just get this done and get it over with because I'm kind of tired of people asking me the same question. All right, so my countertops did not turn into a neon yellow color, as you can see. And right now, I do not have super bright lights on in the kitchen. I just have on my main lights. But the mixture that I use to clean my countertop is 70 or 90% isopropyl alcohol with about a teaspoon of Dawn dish soap and water. So when I put it in the bottle, I do about 1/3 of the bottle or half and half of the bottle of alcohol. So if it's like 70%, I'll do 1/3. If it's 90%, I'll do half the bottle and then fill the other half with water and then Dawn dish soap. Okay, and this is what I use to clean the countertops. I do not use any acidic cleaners, no awesome, no none of that, because that will actually yellow the countertops. Believe it or not, about a year or so ago, the kids were cleaning the countertops with yellow and it was the color of the sponge on this cleaning thing. And I pretty much did a baking soda pull on the countertop and remove that yellowness. So now it's back to a natural white color. And do understand that white comes in many different shades. All white doesn't look the same, okay? Like I put these items here so you could see yellow, different shades of yellow, and also different shades of white. All white isn't the same white, okay? It's the same thing for paint. All white isn't the same. So this is the mixture that I use. So 70 or 90% or 91 or 2%, whatever you could find. And I put it in this bottle. It's been a while since I redid this. I usually keep the bottle for about 2 to 3 weeks because I clean my countertops almost every day. Yeah. So also lighting plays a part in how the countertop looks. If you go into like a Home Depot or a Lowe's or any granite store or whatever, and you get a couple of, oh, that's my baby. I was also comparing her to the countertop and the measuring cup, which is a gold color. So you have different examples to see what shade of white the countertop is, and I would call it a natural white. But like I said, lighting does play a part, even cameras. The first part of this video was filmed with my phone, and this part is filmed with my that's the baby, with my Canon. So the Canon is much clearer, and this is how it looks, okay? It isn't as shiny as it was when I first did it, which is expected. I cook a lot. That's what my kitchen is for. It's not a showroom, it's not a magazine cover, it's not an Instagram, TikTok, Facebook kitchen for just looks. I use my kitchen. I cook a lot in here. Excuse my dirty arm. I was making bread. But this spot is actually where I cut up a lot of things. Like my spices are here. I do have one little kind of yellow tinged area from curry, but it's not as noticeable unless you really go looking for it. But I hope this video was helpful. And if you want to see how I did this, check down below or in the comment section. Thank you guys. See you soon in another video. Bye.